Good morning, students. Welcome back to online mathematics class. I hope you had a good break, so you're refreshed. Now we'll continue with the studies. Alright. Now see, students, we had already started exercise 4.2 and the chapter quadratic equations from your Ncert exercise 4.2. So I told you how to solve quadratic equations. Okay. How to split, make the factors. Now we will start with word problems. As I told in previous word problems, I'm repeating again, whatever word problems are given to us, try to convert them in mathematical form and then solve those equations. So read the word problem very carefully. Okay, now see, starting with question number 3, exercise 4.2. Alright, question number 3. Okay, it says find two numbers whose sum is 27 and product is 182. Simple, students. Now it is saying word problem. It is saying you have to find two numbers whose sum means addition, is 27. Alright, is 27, and whose product is 182. Alright, are you following? So let the two numbers be x and y. I'm not writing the statement. You will write let the numbers be x and y. Okay, now see, it is saying whose sum is 27. So what are the numbers we have taken? We have taken numbers x and y, right? So whose sum? So what does sum means? Means addition. X plus y is 27. So this is our equation 1, right? And product is 182. So what does product mean? Say this sign, it means multiplication. So x, y is equal to 182. Followed, students, till here? If you have followed till here, so almost half of the work is done. Alright, are you following? Same, repeating again, two numbers. So let the numbers be x and the numbers be y. Whose sum? So this means addition. X plus y is equal to 27, and product is multiplication. So x plus y, okay, is 27, product is multiplication. So x, y is equal to 182. So equation 1 and equation 2 are clear. Sum is 27, correct, and product, so multiplication is 182. Now if you see these two equations, you still cannot solve them. Either both the equations should be in x, alright, or both the equations should be in y. So what I am doing, from this equation number 2, I am writing x is equal to 182 upon y, right? This y is in multiplication. When it will go here, it will be in division. So x is equal to 182 upon y. This values of x substitute in first. Okay, this value of x substitute in first, right? So what will I get? 182, right, upon y plus y is equal to 27, right? Or you can still substitute, students. See what substitution also you can do. You can write from here equation 2, you can still write y is equal to 182 upon x. Okay, does not make any difference. It is your choice. You want quadratic equation in y or you want quadratic equation in x. Okay, whichever you want, you can take it up, your choice. Okay, so y is equal to 182 upon x, right? This x will go in denominator. This value of y, if I substitute in first, okay, so x plus, what is the value of y now? 182 upon x is equal to 27. So whichever equation you want to solve. So if I solve this, I will get here 182 plus y square is equal to 27y, and if I use this substitution, I will get x square plus 182 is equal to 27x. How did I get this? I multiplied x here. Okay, x multiplied here, x square, and x multiplied here by 27, so 27x. Similarly, y multiplied here will give me y square, and y multiplied by 27 give me 27y. If you see equations, both are same. I can rewrite this equation as y square minus 27y, see, plus 182 is equal to 0. Okay, and if I write this equation, x square minus 27x plus 182 is equal to 0. So both the equations are same, only difference is of variable. Here the variable is y, here the variable is x. And this depends if you are substituting y is equal to 182 upon x or x is equal to 182 upon y. Let me change things so it will be easy for you to differentiate. If you substitute x is equal to 182 upon y, okay, see this students, so you will get the equation this, okay, and if you substitute y is equal to 182 upon x, you will get the equation in x, you will get this equation. So both the equations are same, the only difference is of variable. Clear students? Okay, here you will get variable in y, here you are getting variable in x, both are correct. Till here followed? Now solving this equation, okay, now we will solve. Now I'm taking x square, okay, so it will be easy for you to understand. So x square minus 27x plus 182 is equal to 0. Now same thing students, we need product as 182, okay, so I can write a product, I need 182, right, and sum I should get minus 27, so I will make factors of 182, okay. So let me change the so factors of 182, so we will make factors of 182, okay, so factors of 182. How do we make factors students? LCM method students. So 2 9s are 18 and 2 1s are 2. 91, it is not divisible by 3, no, by 4, 7. Check by 7, 7 1s are 7. 2 is left, 7 3s are 21, and 13 1s are 13, because 13 is a prime number, okay. Now 2 7s are 14 and 13, yes. So 13, 1 is 13 and 7 2s are 14, right. If we add this, we will get 27, okay, and product will be 182, okay, so it is correct. So 13 and 14 are the factors. Are you following students? Coming back to the previous slide. So what were the factors we got of this 182? We got the factors of 182 as 13 and 14, right. Now we need sum as minus 27, okay, sum is minus 27, alright, and we need product as 182. So this means if I take minus 14 and minus 13, so I will get minus 27, and if I multiply them, okay, minus 14 into minus 13, if I take the multiplication, I will get 182, correct. So I will write here x square minus 14x minus 13x plus 182 is equal to 0. Now see, minus minus plus, minus 27, correct, multiply, minus into minus will become plus, and it will be 182. So what can I common from here? What should I take common from here? I explained all this in previous equations, same method. So taking x common, so we will get x minus 14. Take here minus 13 common, so x minus 13, and here it will be minus 14, right, minus 13x minus minus plus 182, correct students, is equal to 0. So x minus 13 and x minus 14 is equal to 0. So what does this mean? X minus 13 is equal to 0 and x minus 14 is equal to 0. From here x is equal to 13. Don't ask me how x is equal to 13, because we're transposing students. By this time you should be very clear how to transpose. This negative, when you take on the right side, it will be 13, and this minus 14 you take on the right side, it will become positive. So x is equal to 13 and x is equal to 14. Alright, now any of these values of x you substitute in previous equation, you will get the value of y. Suppose if I take x13, okay, from equation 1, okay, substitute this value of x13, so x plus y is equal to 27, right, x is equal to 13, so 13 plus y is equal to 27, so y is equal to 27 minus 13, which is equal to 14. So what are the two numbers? So 13 is one number and y is 14, the other number, okay. Now if you take x as 14, see, if you take x as 14, so 14 plus y is equal to 27, so y is equal to 27 minus 14 is equal to 13. So whichever values you can take, and you will get the same answer. Are you following? You can verify also. Substitute x and y, you should get 27. So x, if I take x13, so y is 14, 13 plus 14, 27, verified. See, 13 plus 14 is 27, so your answer is also verified. Okay, so in this way students, we will solve the equations, and I have told how to verify also. So in this way you can verify. I hope students you have followed how we are converting word problem into mathematical form and then solving. Okay, how we are converting this word problems, okay, in mathematical form. mathematical form, and then solving. Once we have made this quadratic equation, and then we can simply solve. So in this way you will complete this and try the questions, then I will explain you more. So study well and be good students. I hope students you have followed now. There is no doubt. Try and solve other questions, okay? Because the more you solve, then the more it will be easy for you. You will grasp the concept, okay? Study well and be good.